My next product is something that I was hoping was going to work really well, but did not. It didn't work at all, and it kind of hurt me, not physically, but mentally. Hurt my bike. What it is slime. Prevent and repair flat tires, tube sealant. We've seen them. I've seen them. Have you seen them? Well, I've seen them at least. But you see them, and I always thought this was a cool idea. If I could just put some slime in my tire and not get flats, yay! But it turned out I had a flat. I was biking a long distance bike ride. I got a flat, and I thought, okay, now I want to put some slime in the tire. They sold it to me at REI, and I don't blame them. Maybe it can work for some people. Didn't work for me. I filled it up. I used exactly what they said, maybe even a little more. I filled it up, spun the tire, and it spun because it was an electric bike, so the tire spun really fast. And yeah, it's a cool. I mean, the bottle's cool, and it has a little thing to actually to take out your, I don't know, to make it so you can fill it in a little tube. I don't have a tube with me. But anyway, the bottom line is it didn't work. It didn't work at all. And I had, this doesn't fit back in, I had a very small, it was like a tiny little thorn that went in. So if you can't even fix a tiny little thorn, how's it supposed to fix anything, really? I mean, to me, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna throw this away, and I'm gonna give it a 0. I wanted it to work. I wish it would have, but it did not. So you can get slime if you want, if you got a flat tire, but I would not recommend. I would go back to the old-fashioned, those little, I don't know, sticky. I would recommend just using old-fashioned, like Stickums, whatever they are. They go on the tire. That's what actually eventually cured my tire, or fixed it for me. But slime looks cool. Tube sealant seals instantly for 2 years. Didn't even seal it for like 2 minutes. No, it doesn't work. It has weight too. That's the worst part. You ruin your tire.